The president of Zimbabwe, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has spoken about how he was sold out, captured, and taken to places that a lot of Zimbabweans only read about in the history books. He speaks about betrayal, arrest, and surviving moments that were deeply painful. This is an important part of our history, a sad part of our history, spoken by the speaker's own words. Let us listen.
It was Michael Mawema who sold me out. I was on my way to Malawi. So I went to Michael Mawema's house in Highfields. I was the head of the operations in the country.
All right.
Yeah, guerrillas. Some of my guerrillas had been captured. I hadn't been captured. So I was busy writing my report in Highfields at the house, in Michael Mawema's house in Highfields. So that it could be sent to Chitepo. Chitepo was in Lusaka. I was busy writing. Did I know that Michael Mawema was a sellout? So he went and told the special branch, and Inspector Beans. He was called Inspector Beans. He was the one who came. I was busy writing my report so to be sent to Lusaka. My house was surrounded. And when I left the room, I wasn't walking. They lifted me, so it was VIP, because they lifted me to the police truck.
There are certain aspects which are quite sensitive. The torture you went through, everything. It was horrible.
Yes, of course.
You have spoken about it, and sometimes you almost shed tears when we spoke.
You see, I don't know now, Harare Central Police Station, at the west end of the Harare
Central Police Station,
there was a room called A20. A20. Butcher House A20. That was the torture house. So when you go there, it's like in this room, right? Then they will put leg irons on one leg, put the chain over the bar on this side, then you hang head down, your legs up. Then the white man is standing there with a notebook and says, Emerson, in this notebook, there's nothing written. Here's a pencil, he sharpens it. Everything is new. What you're going to begin to write in this will come from you. So they hang you, legs up, head down, on a bar, along a bar like that. Some black CID is that side, another one this side. You are hit this side, so you go on the rail like that, go on that side. They hit you here. You go that side, then they hit you again, come this side. But they were foolish, because if you have your head down and the legs up, you don't survive long. You go out. Yeah. So I don't know how long I was kept in that position. I only remember when I came round at the police station, there are cells for prisoners. Now in this cell, there's a toilet. They flush it from outside. When I came around, I only remember when I was being put up and with my head down, legs up. But when I came around, these chaps were getting water from the toilet onto my head. Then by hitting the door.
Then, as you served your 10 years, you had no close relatives nearby.
No.
How were you surviving, realizing that Mama and Papa were in Zambia?
Nothing. I enjoyed being a guerrilla person. I enjoyed
But
it.
sometimes the relatives for your friends.
Ah, yeah. My father and my mother came and they cried. I said, no, it's not. You go back and the plow. And it happened like that. I spent my 10 years, went to prison for 10 years, finished my 10 years, and I went back home.
Then the day you were taken to Victoria Falls, we heard they took almost 4 or 5 days from the then Salisbury to Victoria Falls.
Yes. They spent their time, went to Bulawayo,
Kadoma,
You spent a night, in Wange. You spent some night. No, spent the night. Then we went to Vic Falls. When I arrived at Vic Falls, that's when I met Tongo for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah. We arrived there. You see, there are lines like this at the bridge.
Yeah, no man's land. Yeah.
No man's land. There are lines, some lines there. Lines this side, I think it's about a meter, which is no man's land. So you stand in the no man's land. Then they removed my handcuffs and the leg irons.
Yes.
Then I walked free into Zambia. I was received by
And
Tongo.
said, don't ever come back.
Yeah, the Tongo received me.
It is stories like this that reminds us that the past was lived by real people who were in real pain, fighting for our country, fighting for Zimbabwe. And if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.